really cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not who the fuck I am, like bitch, what's happening? Porque yo tengo el yo no, sé quoi, okay.
Hey you guys, it's your gal Kitty back in the house. Back with another handbag haul. But it's different. It's vintage. It is a vintage beaded handbag haul. It is my collection. It's actually one of my newest collection for this year. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, this is my real hair. So if everybody was wondering why, yep, that's my real hair. So here we got a package we're opening up with. It's already open though, but yep. Got too excited. My goodness. So this is basically not like embroidery. It's more of a machine because my grandfather told me that back in the days they used to make these bags that's like print out. I forgot what it's called, but my grandfather knows it. He told me it's like basically a printed out. It looks like embroidered, but it's not. So it's basically machine. The machine does it. And yes, it already came with the not vanity mirror. It's a mirror, little compact mirror. And this is from Europe. So I was actually choosing stuff for Christmas. You know, this is what I want for Christmas. You know, my mama getting me stuff. So I got this from a seller. These are actually second-handed. Some are not even used. So I paused the recording, the commentary, because I got scared because I thought somebody was breaking in. But it was actually the mailman delivering something. And I hope it's one of the items that was online from a seller. And this one is actually from a thrift store. This is, I think it's also the same way. It was like also machine, not embroidered. But this one kind of feels different from the top. And yes, also there's details on the bottom. So this is a picnic basket, but there's something inside. So here are my beaded purses. This is my gray seashell purse. And here is my black version of it with gold tone. And it's actually a different brand. Here is this purse again. Actually, this is actually my favorite of all. I'd say I got from the thrift store. And this was gifted to me. Well, given, bought for me. And then this one I found at the thrift store. And this one was given to me. Okay, this one was given to me. And I believe this is from France. This one was from France. That's what I remember. It's so beautiful. So cute. It has such small details. So cute. So this one is from the thrift store. And I thought it was really cute. It wasn't a bad price neither. It was half off too. I basically got this for $1.50, I think. Probably $2. And this one from a different thrift store that was kind of pricey. They were selling it for $8. But you know, I'm a bargain girl. Yeah, you know, y'all gotta go to swap meets and other thrift stores that are basically not like Goodwill, like basically a store that you can change the price. So yeah. So this one is also from the thrift store. This was also a thrift store. It's a gold tone. I think this was Diane Stevens. I can't remember, but I remember the last name was Adrian Stevens. Can't remember. But so cute. And here's this one again. As you guys know, if you guys remember where this is from, it will be in my other vintage 1920s to 1980s beaded purses. And here's a different black one that I have that I actually couldn't find last time. So cute. and I didn't get to show you guys where it's made, but that was made in Spain too. And here's this one again. So I'm showing you guys basically my elegant ones, like the really like lovely, so amazing handmade purses, except for the embroidery ones, but they weren't embroidery. Here's another one of this one that I showed last time. So basically putting them in all one video to show you guys the difference and where it's from. So most of my purses is from Japan, Hong Kong, was made in China, made in India, made in Paris. Like, it's like everywhere. Germany too. Don't forget Germany. My goodness. So this was another package that came. And this is also used, but it was like more used in the inside, you can tell. But there wasn't any loose bead. It was beautiful. Even the shoulder strap is actually beaded. It's a brown gold tone. So here's an extra that I found. Okay, I bought this for my grandmother back in 2010 or 2011. It was from Marshall's, and they actually sold this at Ross Dress for Less too. Last year, or like probably 8 months ago. They have it in brown, gold, pink. It's different colors, but it's so beautiful, and it was dusty. Yo Gal is actually really cool right now. It was the mailman. My goodness. Oh, hell yeah. Now this is what's up. Man, it caught up. It really legit caught up to this video. Yo, what the? Isn't this the Hong Kong one? Yes, I think so. I believe so. This is the Hong Kong one. Or Japan. I think this is Hong Kong. My goodness, that gold tone. Yes, baby. Yes, thank you.